Hi, and welcome to Next. I'm going to show you how to add an overlay logo, CTA, and overlay elements in the NEXD Campaign Manager. Let's now add the overlays. You have the option to add overlays under the Extras tab. The overlay assets can be positioned anywhere on the ad. They stay in place on the top layer while interacting with the ad. You can also add additional overlay elements to your creative. Click on Add Overlay Element and name it to help you later better understand which overlay the ad viewer clicked. Now just drag and drop, and position it anywhere on the ad. Congratulations! You've created an ad with overlay assets. If you need any help, feel free to reach out by using the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner, or send an email to support@next.com.